Welcome to Rise Up Namibia. So in this video, we're going to be looking at finding the percentage of a quantity by Nata, aka the resistor of bad and the lover of good. Hashtag dark and lovely underscore walk by faith and not by sight. So what is meant by a percentage? A percentage simply means per 100, or in other words, a fraction which has 100 for a denominator. Okay? So example number 1. Calculate 50% of 14 liters. Now, say for example, you're in the village where they use the butter system, and then your neighbor decides, no, for a whole bucket of mahangu, I will need 50% of your water. Imagine you have 14 liters, like your container is 14 liters, and now your neighbor decides, no, I want 50% of water for a bucket of mahangu. So how many liters do you give your neighbor? So what we do is we turn this 50% into a fraction. Understand? But now because there is a percentage, 50%, it means we will put the 50 over 100 like this. Okay? So now 50 over 100. Now the first part, remember, is now a fraction. So we multiply the second part, which is the 14. So we make the 14 a fraction as well. How do we make the 14 a fraction? By putting it over 1. Okay? So from this point of view, we say 50 times 14. What do we get? We get 700. Now when we say 100 times 1, what do we get? We get 100. Okay? So from this point of view, we say 700 divided by 1 equals to what? Sorry, 700 divided by 100 equals to 7 liters. Okay? Now, which means you give your neighbor 7 liters from your 14 liters so that you can get a bucket of mahangu. Let's look at another example. Calculate 100% of 12 meters. Now, some people get confused once they see 100 or more, like 100% or even 120%. Don't get confused. It's the same concept. The fact that there's a percentage here, you put it 100 over 100 times 12 over 1. Why is it over 1? Because you have to make the second part a fraction as well. So you multiply the numerators. 100 times 12 gives you what? 1200. 100 times 1 gives you 100. So from here, you say 1200 divided by 100. Okay? What do you get? You get 12 meters. So this is your final answer. Someone will say, no, but the question was 12 meters and the answer is also 12 meters. Yes, it's still correct because it's 100%. Okay? Imagine you wrote a test and the test was out of 12 and you got 12 out of 12. What percentage does it mean? What percentage did you get in your test? You got 100%. Okay? So example number 2. Calculate 1% of 900 kg. The fact that there is a percentage here, we say 1 over 100. Okay? So multiplied by what? We make the second part as well a fraction. So we say 900 over 1. So we say 1 times 900 gives us 900. 1 times 100 gives us 100. So 100 times 1 is 100. Good. So 900 divided by 100 gives you what? 9. So it gives you 9 kg. So 1% of 900 kg is 9 kg. Okay? So calculate 3% of 400 cows. Imagine you want to marry a lady and her father decides, no, I want 3% of your cows. Like 3% of your 400 cows. How many cows do you give the uncle? So we put the 3, because it's a percentage, 3 over 100. We multiply it by 4 over 1. Okay? So we say 300 times 4, 3 times 4 equals to 1200. Now 100 times 1 equals to 100. Okay? So from here we say 1200 divided by 100 gives you 12. So you give the uncle 12 cows for his daughter. Okay? So extra examples. So here are extra examples. Please do try them out and see if you can get the right answer. Feel free to ask any questions, for this is officially the last video on percentages, unless you request for a video on something specific. Thank you all for watching. Please do like, subscribe, turn on that notification button to be the first to see the next upload. Share with friends, family, and classmates. And remember, together we rise to higher heights, apart we all stay behind.